Hello guys. Yami karon sa football. Kami sikat-sikat. Mauli namin sa Bohol. Our purpose here is just to buy a tire. Kaya kamong Aerox dugay na. Oray kuan. We'll buy new tires for our Aerox bike. Okay. Kami karon sa sikat-sikat. Pauli na nita. I don't know. I don't have the. Yes, maybe we can cut sa Stella. Padung namin sa Stella guys, manguli kami. Uma namin nagpalit og ligid. Look up there. Yeah. She's the one who offered that she had to. We can wait for us.